Hi everyone, let's make this corned beef brisket for sandwich. Look at how tender that is. Look at how beautiful that color. Let's make this today. Follow me step by step and you'll see how good this is. This is a nice sized corned beef brisket. You can find this in any supermarket or grocery store. Corned beef brisket. And you need in this case, an Instapot, a pressure cooker. So the corned beef brisket comes in that liquid, but I also like to season it a little bit more. So I'm gonna use all-purpose seasoning here all over it, all sides. Just a little more sprinkle, just like that. Don't go crazy here because it already has its own flavor. But I like to twist it a little bit. So remember, I'm gonna also use some coarse ground pepper here. So this is a little bigger grain than the regular ground pepper. Again, all over it. Don't be scared here because this is gonna be great for the sandwiches, for the sandwich slices. Yep. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Share this channel with your friends and family. Like this video. I'm also gonna use here some garlic salt for added flavor. A little bit of sprinkle of garlic salt, not too much because this has a lot of flavor already. But because I'm gonna put this in water for the pressure cooker, I don't want it to lose most of the spice. So this is ready. So once you get the pressure cooker, I'm gonna use this little rack here to prevent the brisket to sticking to the bottom of it. So use that rack for this purpose, and you just put the brisket right on top of the rack there to prevent it from burning on the bottom. And we're gonna add water here. So I have 2 cups of water here. I'm gonna add a little seasoning here. You can use any season. I'm using this Sazon Goya. You can find it in the Goya aisle of the supermarket. But yeah, you can use any seasoning to add to your brisket. So I'm gonna put the first 2 cups here. 2 cups. Just put it right in there. 2 cups. There you go. I'm gonna add a little bit more, almost to cover the meat. So I'm gonna add 2 more cups. 2 more cups. But I'm not gonna add more spices because this has a lot of flavor already. And the purpose of this one will be for sandwiches. So that's pretty enough. So almost covering the meat there, the brisket, and you just cover your pressure cooker. In this case, I'm using the Instapot. So depending on your pressure cooker, you gotta make sure that it's. I'm gonna set this for manual, high, like high, and I'm gonna put like 90 minutes. 90 minutes pressure cooking, all set. Make sure the settings are okay. Pressure cooking for 90 minutes. After 90 minutes, it's gonna go into a cool down process. I let it there for 15 minutes, as you can see, and then after that, it's ready for releasing the pressure. You gotta let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. So after that, release the pressure button, and then get ready to open your pressure cooker. Be very careful with the pressure cooker. These are very dangerous. Follow your instructions. I'm not telling you how to do it. This is very dangerous. But once you do it, ready to open that lid, you take it out. You see, this is our corned beef brisket here, right off the pressure cooker. But this is not ready for sandwiches yet. This is extremely tender right now, and if you touch it too much, it's gonna just break apart. It's so tender, it will break apart like shredded meat, like pulled pork. So in this case, I'm gonna wrap it in ceramic paper here, plastic wrap, very tight, just like that. Don't leave any spaces, just very tight. And you put it in the fridge for about 5 hours or overnight. So this is the next day. I just pull it out of the refrigerator, and you see it's a lot firmer now. It's firm and it's ready for the slicing machine. Otherwise, if you try to do it when it's hot, you're just gonna create a mess. It's gonna be meat everywhere. So you gotta let it cool totally. Actually, cool in the fridge, not just cool down. And you see the long grain there. You wanna cut against that grain, so make it even more tender. So I have my slicer here. I'm gonna put my corned beef briskets right on the slicer, and I'm gonna run it a few times. I'm making a sandwich out of this. You see how it is actually. So that's beautiful, beautiful. Remember, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, and like this video. Help me make more videos, baby. Here you go. Let's see how it comes out on the back. See that beautiful color? Oh my goodness, it almost looks like pastrami. This is beautiful. This is how it comes out of the slicer. make any better sandwiches than one you make home from scratch. You can't go to any deli and get this. Look how beautiful that color, and you see the pepper on top of those slices. And we're gonna try this. Well, let's try this. Oh my goodness, this is so tender, so tender. Actually melts in your mouth. But I'm gonna make a sandwich here, so I'm gonna put 2 slices of bread on my little skillet here. Yeah, my little griddle here. I'm gonna put some mayonnaise on both of them. If you like something else like ketchup or mustard, that's up to you. I'm only putting mayonnaise here, and I'm gonna put a decent amount of slices here for my sandwich. I'm not gonna be shy on this one, baby. I want a real man's sandwich. Just follow me step by step, and you see how beautiful this is gonna turn out. Our corned beef brisket sandwich, and we did it from the beginning, step by step, no tricks, no camera tricks. So this is like homemade stuff. You can't go around jelly and get any special than this. You did it yourself, and now you're gonna put your sandwich together. You see how tender it is? It actually breaks apart super easy. I'm gonna create this mountain here, so it's have to fit in his sandwich. And I'm using here American white cheese here. You can use any cheese that you like. I know a lot of people are gonna say, "Oh, that's supposed to be cheese." No, listen, whatever cheese you like. This is your sandwich. This is your house. You do it the way you like it. And here's the sandwich, baby. Look at how pretty this sandwich looks. Corned beef brisket sandwich. And we made it step by step from the beginning, from the corned beef brisket, pressure cook, then slice it and prepare our sandwich. There you have it. Enjoy. But I'm gonna try this first. As a sandwich now. I try the brisket, but I'm gonna try this sandwich now. Let me see. This is the best thing you can do. You do it yourself at home from the beginning. You're proud of it, and you are going to like it. I feel that this is like a baby. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Super savory. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like my video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends and family. And see you next time.